Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about um, simple functions on Google Sheets. As you can see here, I have this data on my Google Sheet. It's called movie list. I can change the name here, just highlight the name here, and you could type any name you want. And simply starting by the first function or command that I want to do. As you can see here first, we have a movie title, different types of movies, release date, Wikipedia link, genre, different types of genres, action, comedy, drama, and so on, director names, and budget, plus the box office revenue. So we're going to do some analysis to this data or some functions using Google Sheets. First, I don't know how many rows do I have here. I have so many here, and they don't have a serial ID number column. I would do first type equal in a very new cell, in any cell you would like, just like equal count A as just one word and bracket. My first column is A column, so A colon A, close the bracket. That should give me how many cells that include values. Click enter. So now I have 509 cells here. So that means I have 500 movies. 500 movies. Okay. I could double check this by going back to I can also double check the number of rows that I have by just highlighting the whole column by clicking on the head of the column. And it shows here in the bottom, count 509. I could also do some other stuff. For example, using the pivot table, the filter. I could do the filter or use the filter. For example, I will just go to data and create a filter. That would create a filter for all columns. But if I would like to create a filter just for only one column, I'll go to the head of this column, like column B, release date. And as soon as I just put the cursor on it, I'll find this arrow. As you could see, let me zoom in. Yes, here. I'll just click down or click right on it, and then create filter. As you can see here, click on it. Now it's highlighted with 3 dots on the right. I'll click on these 3 dots. Now I have a filter for this column. As you could see, sort from A to Z, Z to A, sort by color. And you could see here at the bottom, all distinct data here is available. I'll go ahead and filter by condition and select, let's say, date. Let's say date after 2015. Just click on that and says today, no, exact date. So I would do 2015-12-31. So any movie was released after this date is considered after, or in 2016 or after 2015, actually after 2015. Click. Okay, now as you can see, all release dates are only in 2016. I now can remove this filter by going to the head of the column, click on this icon, and just go to the filter. Where is the filter? Cancel. Actually, no. Yep. On this one, remove filter. Remove filter. Okay. Now the filter is removed. Okay. I would like to use the pivot table. I would like to calculate the value or the profit of each movie. So I would like to calculate the revenue or the profit after subtracting the budget, after subtracting the budget. So in a new sheet, I will create a new sheet. All right. Now, I would like to do some simple analysis for the data. I would like to see the profit of each movie genre type. I would like to calculate the box office revenue and the budget. Put them into 3, 2, 1. All right. Now, if I would like to do some calculations on this data, I would like to see which type of genre gives more profit in terms of income. I will go ahead and create what is called a pivot table. I will go to Insert, click on Insert here, and on the drop down list, I will select Pivot Table and ask me, would you like to have it in a new sheet? I will click Yes, create a new sheet. Now I have a new sheet here. In the bottom, you see my movie data, the original one, and here is the pivot table. All right. On the pivot table, I will go ahead and select the genre that I have. As you could see here, these are the columns on my original data: movie title, release date, Wikipedia link, genre, etc. On rows, I will click on Add and select genre. Select genre. Now I have all the genres here: action, adventures, and so on. And then I will go down to values. I will click Add, and I'll select budget. First thing, I'll select budget because this is the budget spent on this movie. And then again, I will click Add on values as well to add the box office revenue. I would like to add two values, the budget and the box office revenue. So as you can see here, I have genre and the overall, the sum of the budget spent on all types, all movies under this genre, under action, for example, and the box office revenue. Then I will go ahead and create a new column, I will name it like net profit to see the net profit of each genre, the net profit of each genre. And simply, let me just zoom in here. Okay, as you can see here, simply I will click equal. Then I will subtract the box office revenue from the budget to see the actual net profit. So equal B2, which is the first column here. Actually, no. I will sum C2 minus B2. So I would like to subtract the budget from the revenue to get to the net profit, and then I'll click enter. Now I'll get suggestions here as well. This is the net profit of action movies, the net profit of action movies. I'll double click on this icon or the right bottom or the right corner dot in order to get all the net profit of every type of genre, as you can see here for each one.